I kind of see my PCs like outfits and like fashion. I want to look good and I want to stand out, I want to be unique. So with every PC that I build, I wanted to have a unique style and a good look. And this PC just isn't it. So today, I'm going to rebuild it. This is also the third episode of my series where I flipped gaming PCs from $150 to $1,500. And in the first two episodes, I flipped this gaming PC into this, and I flipped this gaming PC into this. And I started with $150, and for this episode I have $450. I found this gaming PC with a RTX 2060 on something like Facebook Marketplace, but just different here in Denmark. And this PC is just boring. Like I really don't think it looks that good. So I just want to give it a makeover, and I got it pretty cheap, which means I probably can make a good profit off of it. And the PC has some pretty good specs. It has a RTX 2060, it has an i5 9400F, a decent power supply and a Wi-Fi adapter. So the plan is I want to take everything out of this case and just put it in a new case, so I keep all the specs, but it has a different look. I'm basically not allowed to build a PC from scratch. I have to buy an old PC like this and give it a makeover, and hopefully the only thing that I need to change is the case. And I'll add some sleeve cables. Let's get to it, man. Okay, so the first step is obviously taking everything out of the case. That's pretty easy if you know what you're doing. Just plug the cables out, take the screws out. Yeah, and somehow I always end up finding the dirtiest PC ever. So when I'm done taking everything out of the case, taking the old cooler off as well, I start cleaning the old parts so that the new PC feels like a new PC as well. And this motherboard is a micro ATX motherboard, so obviously I'm going to build in a micro ATX case so no one gets angry in the comments. So when everything has been cleaned, I start reassembling the PC parts on the motherboard. And then I add the new case, or unbox the new case. Okay, so I had some different options with sleeved cables. So the first one was it was like gray and black and blue, and I thought that would be kind of unique. Then there was just regular black sleeve cables. Then there was black and gray, and I had some black and white cables as well. And I thought they all would add something different to the build, but I went with the black and gray cables because, I don't know, I think it looks good. And the PC is done. Okay, so I bought the PC for $240. I switched the case for $50 and I added sleeve cables, which is $15 or something like that. So the total cost was $305. And I listed the PC for $420. And I think the price was pretty good, like really good. And I ended up had two guys who wanted to buy the PC and sold it for the asking price of $420, which was a guy who I think was a Christmas present for his kid or something like that. So I hope he's going to like it. The first episode has been pretty easy. I think it's going to get a lot harder now. We'll see. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.